Welcome back to Vegan Scratch Kitchen, everyone. On today's episode, I'm gonna show you a delicious yet simple recipe for a black bean mushroom burger. And this is gonna have a homemade guacamole, fresh cilantro, and a vegan chipotle mayo. So as you can see, our pan is getting nice and hot here, so we're gonna go ahead and add some oil. In this bowl right here, I have 8 ounces of chopped organic cremini mushrooms, and we're gonna add those to the pan now. Go ahead and take some salt and some black pepper. And now let's mix this around. So one of the keys to this recipe is going to be to sear these mushrooms really nicely, get them nice and cooked down so that all the water has released from the meat of the mushrooms. If you can use a cast iron skillet, that's probably the best pan to use for this. If not, that's okay. You can use whatever saute pan you have on hand. Just make sure that you get the pan nice and hot before you throw any of the ingredients in. We're cooking at home, home cooking, home cooking. So we'll cook these mushrooms down for maybe 3 to 4 minutes, just until they get nice and crispy. All right, our mushrooms look nice and brown, so let's go ahead and add 4 cloves of minced garlic. Add a little bit more salt, then stir in. That smells incredible. You only want to cook the garlic down for about a minute because it can burn very easily. Take the same pan that you just used and set it to the side because later we're going to use it to sear the burgers. We are now ready to put the burger patties together. We'll start with these black beans here, so just pour them into a large bowl. Take a nice little potato masher and just smash the beans down. You know, for so many of my recipes, I'm using, a food processor or a blender or something that would make this a lot easier. But a lot of people don't have those kitchen gadgets because they don't like to frivolously spend their money on meaningless material possessions like I do. Okay, that texture looks good right there. You don't need to smash it up into like a creamy paste or anything like that. You can leave little bits of the black beans just as long as it is all smashed so that it can form into a nice solid patty. Now we'll go ahead and add in our mushroom and garlic mixture from what we just seared in the pan. Along with that, we're gonna add 2 thinly sliced green onions, a variety of seasonings including cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, and a little bit of hatch green chili powder. This is 2 teaspoons of nutritional yeast. This is about 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. And to top it off, I'm gonna add the juice of half a lime. So now get your hands in there and mix all of those ingredients around. Everything has come together pretty well now, so I'm gonna set this in the fridge for about 10 minutes to let the ingredients come together even more. Okay, so while our burger patties are setting up in the fridge, let's make some guacamole. Here in this bowl, I have 2 avocados that have been halved, and to this bowl, I'm gonna add 1 finely diced jalapeno, 1 finely diced red tomato on the vine, 1 small bunch of finely minced cilantro, and then the juice of the other half of the lime that I used when I made the burger patties. Grab that potato masher you used before and get into it. Now add a little bit of salt. What we'll do now is we'll take our black bean mushroom mixture and form it into some patties. So while the oil is heating up, I have a toasted burger bun here, and I'm gonna take a little bit of this chipotle mayo that I have and just spread it lightly on the bottom and the top. The recipe for this vegan chipotle mayo can be found on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna go ahead and season the top of the patty with some salt and black pepper. And once you put it in the pan, be sure to move it around a little bit. That way it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now take your salt and pepper and put a little bit on the other side. Okay, this burger is looking great. I think we're ready to plate. Lift up and on to the bottom bun. Look at this. We're already at the finish line. Can you believe it? I can't. It's pretty awesome. Super sweet. Woo! The last step, let's dress this burger up with our guacamole and fresh cilantro. My friends, black bean, mushroom burger, guacamole, fresh cilantro, chipotle vegan mayo. Enjoy.